Hey there, creative crew. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa with the Winnie umbrella brand, and here on this channel, I show you all the tips and tricks that I use to help me on my business/entrepreneur journey. And today's episode is about making the pink passion glass bottles. So go on this adventure with me. I know the lighting is off, but it will get better. So the pink glass bottles is one of our, it's one of our little products of the Winnie umbrella brand. So stay tuned. Let's get into it. So here you can see I'm using a red on my Cricut Explorer Air 2. I think I said it right. I just want to make sure I said it right. But if you see that pink down there, that pink vinyl gave me so many problems. So in the video, you will see more red hearts or red spirals once you get down in the video. Please believe this glass cup is called Pink Passion. So I had to go back out and get some more pink vinyl. So when you order it online, you will see more cute pink swirls, pink hearts, because this is Pink Passion, and Pink Passion is about the love and the just a little bit of happiness. So I'm cutting out the vinyl, and this was some good vinyl so far, until I had a couple troubles, but it was more me than I could have worked harder and cut it deeper. But I was trying to be, better with it. But you just see me doing this. But I hope y'all are doing good out there. And as you can see, yes, I'm on the floor. I was tired of the chairs. My legs and stuff was hurting. It was like that. But you see me tearing off my original label, and I made that label in another video, but we're gonna do better and change it out. So you see this? I made my pressure too light, y'all, so I had to redo this part, but it worked out. hope y'all enjoy the music, courtesy of me doing it on BandLab app. So if you need extra music so you won't get copyrighted or anything, this is not sponsored, but just from my experience, try BandLab. But on it's an app on your Play services or something. But that's helped me make different music and stuff. But this part was tricky for me. I kept messing up. Remind you, I am still learning, so I haven't made it. Well, I haven't been an expert at it, but I'm still trying. So I went through a lot of vinyl last night trying to make that simple things. You know what I mean? But it's gonna get better. So that's why I had to go get some more vinyl for it. But this pink passion will definitely come out because, baby, I put some passion into it making it. So, oh yeah, please subscribe. Don't forget to do that because that helps my channel to grow and reach other people about my business. And it helps you as well so I can put out more content, so it can reach you guys. So, please subscribe. But let's see. Oh, it goes out really well. That's the only one that went really well. And I'm sorry that it's off frame. I could have sworn I was more in frame than what I am in. But that little bitty, the bigger spirals went very crazy. And that was the only one that worked. But the little bitty spirals worked so much better. So I'm just going to flick of the wrist and get it better. You know what I mean? Put more effort. And I'm not saying I didn't put effort, but push myself more to... I'm not going to go crazy to make it perfect. You know what I'm saying. I'm going to make sure it works. Now look at this. These are the pink that I was telling you about that was giving me trouble. This gave me so much trouble. It's still a cute heart, but you see that long row and half of it's empty? The rest of those pink hearts tore off. That it was the vinyl. So I had to go out and get more vinyl to make it even better and to undo my pink spirals. But the pink passion bottle's looking good. You know what I'm saying? It is hard. Love it. So, you see the pink crystals and everything. So it's gonna be it. Now, honestly, I did not try to make it more on a Valentine look because it do looks more Valentine with the red and the pink. But because the pink was giving me so much trouble and the red was working, because I only wanted one red and the rest, like one red heart and the rest pink. But it kept messing up the pink. So I had to use what I had. And it ended up being a little bit more red. But once I got the pink vinyl, after filming this, it was better, a little bit more balanced in color to go with the pink passion theme. But red still goes with pink because it's passion. It's that love, you know what I'm saying? But, these just was tricking. I'm just gonna let you know it didn't work. It didn't work. It did not work, and I tried my best. And I was up to it was like 11:21 or something at night, because I got a family and I'm But this is just a voiceover if you catch the drift already. And it just didn't work. Look at it. Look at it. And it did not work for me. Look at that. And it's just wasted vinyl. And that was some good red one. But it's really me, and I just gotta learn better to maneuver. That's all. But you see that, and I was getting and it kept messing up. It shouldn't be that flimsy, but it was me. If y'all know any good vinyl places to get that's affordable, that I'm not spending an arm and a leg, please let me know, because I do like doing it. I'm complaining, but shoot, I still do it again. That's when you know when you love to do what you do. I still do it again. I'm still gonna try again. And especially this pink passion, because I have a lot more coming out. It's a collection. It's big growth energy, that wave though, floating on clouds. But the pink passion is the one that I filmed. But this is a really good one. And it turned out so cute, you guys. Remind you, I added more swirls and everything to it. So, but I just want you to understand that this is so cute with the Pink Passion collection. So thank you so once again for watching. My name is Vanessa with the Winnie Umbrella brand and Creative Crew. Please have a great day, night, journey, wherever, however, wherever you're watching this, and let's get creative.